For an integer n, let n squiggly be defined by n squiggly equals 2n times n plus 1. What is the value of 8 squiggly divided by 2 squiggly? Okay, so this is a function, and it's something that some of us call a wacky function, right? Because this little tilde here is not really it could be anything. You know, sometimes you'll see it as a star, or sometimes you'll see it as a smiley face or something like that. But what we know is that n tilde is 2 times n plus 1. So we need to find out what 8 tilde is, and then we need to divide it by, that's division, divided by 2 tilde. So let's go down here and let's do it. Okay, I always like to write my original given function so I don't make any mistakes when I plug in. So n tilde is 2 times n plus 1. All right, and now I need to find what 8 tilde is. All right, and I'm just basically going to plug in an 8 wherever I saw an n. So 8 tilde is 2 times 8 times 8 plus 1. Okay, order of operations tells us that we have to do inside the parentheses first. 8 plus 1 is 9. So now I have 2 times 8 times 9. And if you use your calculator, you'll get 144. Okay, let's find out what 2 tilde is. And I'll do this in green. So 2 tilde is 2n times n plus 1. And in this case, what I'm plugging in is this 2. So here's the 2, and here's the 2. Okay, so I plugged in for n and for n. All right, order of operations. Looking in the parentheses, 2 plus 1 is going to be 3. And then I have 2 times 3. And if you pull out your calculator, you'll get 12. Okay, so back to the original question. What is 8 tilde divided by 2 tilde? Well, 8 tilde divided by 2 tilde is 144 divided by 12, which gives you 12. Okay, now, when you go and look at the possible answers here, 12 is not one of the possible answers. Okay, if it's multiple choice, and the problem I have, here's my choices. All right, I put them up here in brown. So my answer is 2 tilde, 4 tilde, 6 tilde, 8 tilde, or 10 tilde. Oh, thank goodness they didn't come over here and trick me and put in 12 tilde, because I probably would have picked that pretty quickly. But they didn't do that. So I know by looking at these answers that the answer is not going to be just 12. So what we need to do is we need to figure out what these are. What's 2 tilde? What's 4 tilde? What's 6 tilde? What's 8 tilde? What's 10 tilde? I'll start with 2. Okay, 2 tilde is, going back to our original function here, 2 tilde is 2 times n plus 1. N is 2. So we have 2 times 3, 12. Okay, so 12 is 2 tilde. You know what? We had already figured that out right here. But that's okay, right? And if you went and plugged in the other answers, what is 4 tilde? What is 6 tilde? What is 8 tilde? Then you would find those numbers. And I think they're going to get pretty big pretty fast. So the answer here is 8 tilde divided by 2 tilde is 2 tilde.